Yo, what up fam? Welcome to this unboxing video for the MagicYoYo K2, brought to you by your favorite YouTube yo-yoer, this guy. Here's what the yo-yo looks like. Now let's get this unboxed. Okay, so here we have it in its box, and let's just get this opened up. Now I have been yo-yoing for days now. Actually, I just want to show you the yo-yo that I have been using. So I think it's time for an upgrade. Now returning to this, so we have the yo-yo itself. Just looks incredible. But we'll get back to that in just a moment. There is a yo-yo accessories box here. Managed to get that there. Okay. So, starting out, we've got a MagicYoYo bag. We've got some yo-yo strings in various different colors. And then a 3-fingered glove, which, you know, now that I'm going to be a professional yo-yoer, I guess this is just what I'm going to be wearing from now on. I'm just going to have to get used to it, so I'll just be wearing this out to events, that kind of thing. So we can learn how to throw the yo-yo, probably the most important thing. How to return a responsive yo-yo. This is a responsive yo-yo that I have here. I did also order a unresponsive, but I just wanted to start with the responsive at first and kind of go from there. All good information, I'm sure. Okay, now let's get to the actual yo-yo itself. Let's just take it out of the packaging here. Definitely feels like you could potentially put a string on there, so that's probably pretty useful. Okay, so I will get this stringed up and then we will give this a try. Okay, so what are my first impressions of this yo-yoing product? For starters, it has great hand feel. Mouth feel, not so much. The weight is the blue color is dope as hell. So that's been my review of the MagicYoYo K2. So smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and click that notification bell to get more top quality yo-yo reviews. This has been Kyle from Kyle's Yo-Yo Reviews and also other product reviews, and you've been reviewed, been yo-yoed, you've been unboxed, rotated on a string, you've been tricked.